What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have another update on Vthor token guys. As you guys can see, it's hit another green candle and it is up just about 22% in the last 24 hours, and it is currently trading at 0.0057 cents. So we're going to be looking at, can it essentially hit the dollar mark over the coming days, weeks and so on, or anytime soon, and looking at what is this crypto's next target. Is it one to be investing into right now before it pumps up higher? Is it one to be selling if you're on a profit? Or is it one to be holding on to before it pumps up even higher? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what can we expect from Vthor token, and is there crypto to be investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which gives us the average value of Vthor token, which is here in purple at 0.003237 cents, and the crypto is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green, sorry, not in green, in red, at 0.005709 cents, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. However, due to the major difference between the two values here, the crypto may be overvalued and may be in for a little bit of a dip, which I will be going through later on in the video. But for now, I'm just gonna bring out the MACD indicator on the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Vthor over the next 12 to 14 hours, so in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. However, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value. It should be heading over 0.006 cents in value in the early hours of tomorrow, so an overall increase from where it is at the moment. However, it is highly likely to hit green and red candles in between, so it's going to be quite volatile. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So yes guys, do expect an overall minimal increase in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we still got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, looking quite positive. So an overall increase in value is what is expected from Vthor token over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially by the end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, which I also go by as well. So it should essentially be heading over 0.007 cents in value by the end of next week is what I'm expecting. It's not going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value, and again, don't expect it to be hitting green candles consistently for the next 7 to 8 days. It is highly likely to hit red days in between as well. But what matters again is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. So heading over 0.007 cents in target is what I'm expecting from Vthor by the end of next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, we got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well. However, this is not realistic because of how steep it's looking. The reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of days and weeks. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 6 to 8 weeks. However, that is not the case. So early to mid-April 2024, I'm expecting Vthor token to have hit the the 1 cent target. Reason for that is, over the coming week or two, by the end of February, early March, I'm expecting it to go through a price correction, dropping down to 0.003 cents. Once it's hit that target, it should then slowly and steadily start to increase in value, and by late April, May time, the crypto should be heading very close to that 1 cent target and potentially heading over the 1 cent target by mid-year is what I'm expecting. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, being essentially trading out double the value it is at the moment after going through a price correction. But again, as I mentioned couple of times in my videos, the Bitcoin halving is happening in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will let you guys know on as soon as possible as I get more data and analysis around what's likely to take place. But yeah, for that information, make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level and it has resisted over the last 3 days, which is quite sustainable because previously it hasn't resisted at all. It's literally just broken up from every resistance level, and right now it's slowly starting to resist at the resistance level, which makes it much more sustainable and realistic instead of dropping back down in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has once again gone up over 90%, making it $81 million in trading in the last 24 hours. So we are seeing a lot more traders buying and selling the crypto, as it is still one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So it is getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more traders are on it, which in return is also helping the value of Vthor pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Vthor token. Guys, comment down below your take and your prediction. How high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.